Dear Azakians, for this video, I will show you how to participate in a discussion on UROX. Your lecturers may post a discussion on your weekly modules, or you may also access via the discussion tab. So for now, let's go to the weekly modules. So you can see there are two discussions here. Let's click the first one, discussion 2, small c, creativity. On top, you can see the possible points you may get if you answer this discussion. So let's say the question is about creativity, and I have to answer first before I can see my classmates' reply. So creativity in daily life. So you can just type your answer. In daily life is essential. If you would like to post any videos, you can click this play icon here. Then you can insert any social media, let's say a video from YouTube. You can just copy the URL, post it here, click OK. Or if you have your own, let's say, voice recording or your own video, click this one, record or upload media. So click upload, then you can select your audio or your video file. To attach any documents, words, Excel or PowerPoint, you can click attach and choose file. So you may also upload your answer in the form of attached file. So now let's just post reply. Now I can see my classmates' answer. This is something similar to social media where you can actually like and also reply to your classmate answer. So good. So then you can post your reply. If you have any concern, questions or issues regarding UROX, feel free to contact the UROX department through ATS. We are more than happy to assist you. Thank you.